Good morning, everyone. I'm going to report the vision mission of Department of Justice and the role of it. Vision: a just and peaceful society anchored on the principles of transparency, accountability, fairness, and truth. Ang vision ng Department of Justice is to enforce the law legally and truthfully to the people. Mission: effective, efficient, and equitable administration of justice. Towards the effective, efficient, equitable administration of justice, Department of Justice provide every person equal access to justice to faithfully safeguard constitutional rights and to ensure that no one is deprived of due process of law. Responsibilities and its role. The Department of Justice acts, acts as, uh, as the principal law agency and legal counsel of the government. It serves as the government's prosecution arm and administer the government's criminal justice system by investigating crimes, prosecuting offenders, and overseeing the correctional system. And there are agencies that is attached to this Department of Justice. 1. Bureau of Correction. The Bureau of Correction is an agency under the Department of Justice that is in charge with custody and rehabilitation of national offenders that is sentenced to serve a term of imprisonment more than 3 years. Bureau of Immigration. This this Bureau of Immigration was given sole authority to enforce and administer immigration and foreign nationals, registrations, exclusion and deportation, and repatriation of foreign nationals. Ito yung nag, nagbabantay sa mga banyagang Amerikano na pumapasok sa loob ng Pilipinas o mga dayuhan. Land Registration Authority. The Land Registration Authority is mandated to issue decrees of registration and certificate of titles and documents, patents, and other land transaction of the benefit of landowners. Ang Land Registration Authority ay yung mga nagbibigay ng titulo sa mga lupa ng mga tao. Next, National Bureau of Investigation o NBI. This Bureau of Investigation is to undertake the efficient detection and investigation of crimes and other offenses against the law of the Philippines upon its own initiative. The National Bureau of Investigation coordinates with other national and local police agencies to maintain peace and order and establishes and maintain an up-to-date scientific crime laboratory. Office of the Government Corporates Council. The primary function of the Office of the Government Corporate Council or OGCC is to serve as the principal law office of the government owned or controlled corporation. There are subsidiaries and other corporate of offspring and government acquire assets corporation. As such, the following are its primary service: Legi- litigation. The litigation represent GOCC in the litigation of appropriate cases brought over the courts or quasi-judicial bodies in the Philippines or abroad. Second, contact review. Review of, revise or modify as the case may be all contacts referred by GOCC as required the by law to make some conform in existing law and applicable government rule and regulations in to prepare such contact when requested in appropriate cases. Third, legal option. Render legal option as required by law on important legal questions referred by Office of the Government Corporate Council. And last, mediation and arbitration. Mediate or attribute under Presidential Decree number 242 in relation to relevance provision of Republic Act 9285 and the Administrative Code of 1987. Office of the Alternative Dispute Resolution to promote, develop, and expand the use of alternative dispute resolution or ADR in the private and public sectors and to assist government to monitor, study and evaluate the use of public and private sectors of ADR or Office of Alternative Dispute Resolution and recommend to Congress needful statutory changes to develop, strengthen, and improve ADR practices in accordance with world standard. Next, Office of the Solicitor General. The OCG represents the government of the Philippines and its agency and instrumentalities and its official agent in any litigation, proceeding, investigation, or matter requiring the service of lawyers. When authorized by the President of head of the office concerned, it shall also represent government on to control corporation. The office of the Solicitor General shall discharge duties requiring the service of lawyers. Parole and Probation Administration. The Parole and Probation Administration is intended to conserve or to redeem convict offenders and prisoners who are under the probation and parole system. Presidential Commission on Good Government. It is tasked to investigate cases of graft and corruption as may be assigned by the President in adopting institutional safeguards to prevent corruptions. Kanto yung Presidential Commission on Good Government is gaya sa nangyari kay former President Marcos, yung mga ari-arian na ninakaw niya sa Pilipinas ito yung nag-iimbestiga sa kasong kasong yun sa Brunman o sa dito sa Pilipinas. Public Attorney's Office. The Public Attorney's Office or P- PAO is an attached agency to Department of Justice which provide indigent litigant free legal assistance. Ito yung pinupuntahan ng mga na nagpa-file ng case na hindi kaya yung hindi kaya hindi kayang magbayad ng private private attorney. Board of Pardons and Paroles. The Board of Pardons and Paroles releases prisoners on parole and recommends the grant of presidential pardons. The Parole and Probation Administration supervises the rehabilitation of parolees as well as the prob probationers. Recruitment process. Sa recruitment process, guys, is wala akong makitang mas magandang hindi ko ma-download yung image kaya ito na lang. Yung recruitment process starts updates the plantilla based on the submitted document. Second, update excess file, abstract of applicants, prepare list of vacant position, thus publish vacant position, receive application and checks completeness of its attachment, prepare summary of applicants with complete attachments per vacancy, then schedule of examination, then administrator conducts examination, check and codes result of examination, conducts deliberation or interview, sets schedule for deliberation of application by the HRM PSB, submits the board resolution and short list of applicants to the OCEC. Then COG, choose successful applicants, inform successful applicants for requirements, prepare appointment papers. COG, sign the appointment paper, then conduct post-employment activity. Yun po yung nakalagay sa recruitment process sa Department of Justice. Yun lang po. Sorry pala sa sa magulong explanation at mga ibang dito kaya sa recruitment process kasi isa lang ang gamit ko, phone lang, wala akong kagamitan sa pag-edit ng video. Thank you po. Thank you, ma'am.